So friends, it's hashtag and the future is in our hand. So without wasting a single moment, let's unbox the future. So it is the Charge 6 Plus and it is obviously the clone. And we get a speaker, a AUX cable, a micro USB cable for charging, manual and some sponge. So let's get on to the speaker ASAP. On the first physical view, the speaker is really very small in size as compared to other flip or charge models. It is really very small. And the base radiators are really of very bad quality. And the JBL logo seems very fake. Anyone can easily guess that this is a fake speaker. And here we get a cover for all the adapters or plugs. Micro USB for charging, a USB port for pen drives and a MEMC card slot. But there is no AUX cable in there. That is really a surprise. The box contains AUX but the speaker doesn't support. And the base radiator also feels good in the terms of toughness. Let's fire up some stuff. With water. AUX. When we talk about the pros and cons of this device, the major pro of this device is that this is really compact, and if you need a clone JBL speaker, then this is best because it is very compact and cheap in price. While the cons are it is a JBL clone and it doesn't support AUX cable, which is really bad because clones support everything. And the sound quality is also good. It's decent. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share and hit the subscribe button. Never miss a video from hashtag.